What up, man? Your boy Chris coming at you, Mobile, Alabama. Oh my God, it's a hurricane. Hurricane Nate. You see I'm wearing my Alabama gear. We fixing to get up out of here and see what Hurricane Nate talking about. Let's go see. I'm in the car. I'm out of the car. Lock my shit. It ain't even windy out here. It's flooding. No, my phone sucks. There we go. Got some light. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh no. Oh no. My Alabama flip flop. My phone getting wet. Fuck you, Nate. Bring it, bitch. Check it out. In case I gotta go to the store in the morning, got my little paddle boat. The water is come up. I don't know if y'all can see this too well, but this back apartment, the water has come all the way up to here. Got shit floating in the water right here. And that's only about 50 feet from the back door. Bring it, bitch. Roll Tide. I had to come move my car though, just in case this old ass tree limb and shit out here want to fall on my shit. Yes. Hope everybody's safe out there. Roll motherfucking Tide. Y'all don't be scared of this shit. We gonna bring it right on back to them. Holler.